Good Morning Texas Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
Have you recently received your property tax valuation? Well, many have seen an increase, and the increase has been devastating. Mortgage expert Rodney Anderson is here to break it all down for us. And Rodney, you say it is all about control. What does that mean exactly?
Well, number one, many people are overpaying for their mortgages. They're paying the banks too much. With these property taxes going up, the homeowner's insurance going up, Shannon, we have to take control of our mortgage today to make sure we're doing the right thing with one of the biggest financial assets and liabilities we ever have, and that's our home.
And the one thing that you first start talking about is the principal.
Yeah, let's break this down. Most mortgages have what's called PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and then mortgage insurance. You control the principal. For every dollar you pay extra on your mortgage, you pay less interest every month. So I always tell people round up. For example, let's say your mortgage payment is $1,869.
Okay.
Pay $1,900.
Oh.
Okay, because that extra $31 goes directly to the principal. You can control your principal by refinancing and getting a lower interest rate, moving toward a 15-year fix. People are blown away when you tell them how much money they're going to pay on a 15-year fixed rate mortgage. So, and how much money they're going to save by controlling that principal. So I always tell people, take control of the principal of your loan.
You also say take control of interest.
Yeah, interest is paid in several ways. One of them is every day people are calling me and they're at 6, 7, 8% or even higher.
Oh, goodness.
One gentleman last week was at 7.12% and moved to a 15-year fixed, cut his interest rate in half, Shannon, and then he controlled that interest because the less interest you pay, the more money you have. But take control of this. Pay less interest to the bank. Refinance. Take control of it.
I always think property taxes, we can't control it, but you say that's different.
Yeah, make sure with these property tax valuations going up, make sure what the law states that they can go up. You can only, if it's your homestead, it can only go up 10% from the previous year. Now, they'll tell you the value can go up, but they can't tax you for more. But here's where it's really important to take control of your taxes. Make sure you file your homestead exemption if you have lived in there. Make sure if you turned 65 or over 65, make sure you filed your over 65 exemptions. If you have disabilities of 80, 90, or 100%. I had a military veteran that walked in my door about a month ago. He had a motorcycle helmet on, 100% disabled because of his back. And I said, have you called? What have you done with your property taxes? And he said, nothing. I said, do you know you're exempt? He pays no property taxes now because he has 100% disability. And he was paying $6,600
Let's check real quick on insurance. You said that's really important, too, to know what's going on there.
Yeah, insurance rates are going up. A lot of companies are raising 30, 35%. Make sure you call your insurance company every 2 years. Shop it around. It's okay to switch. I give you permission to switch, but control your mortgage more than ever before and make sure you're looking into refinancing because these tax increases and insurance increases could be $200, $300 a month.
Wow, great ways to save money while we're talking about it. Well, you can call Rodney at 1-800-EXPRESS for more tips and really great information, or you can go to rodneyanderson.com. Thanks, Rodney.
Thanks.
All right.